How to start affiliate marketing for complete beginners in 2023. What's going on? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, if you're looking for a complete way, a surefire way to start earning money in 2023, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you the company that I have been using, for quite a while now, that has helped me to earn residual income month after month after month. And it just continues to come in whether I work or not. Now, I just want you to know that the earlier part of this year, for about 4 months, I didn't do anything on this in this particular business simply because my wife and I were renovating our house. Here it is, the end of the year, and I really haven't done much, since the holidays began, but the money keeps coming in month after month after month. Now, I want to share this with you. If you're going to join an affiliate marketing program, make sure it is one that has residual income, but not only residual income, make sure it is a product or a company or a service that has other income streams inside of it as well. A low ticket, a mid ticket, and then a high ticket in it. That way you're only promoting one link with the chance of earning income within that system when people upgrade as well. So that's what I want to share with you in this video. So here I am now. I'm in my back office of my Sam carts, and I just want to show you some of the results that I have gotten with this system. Now, I want to let you know this up front as well. I'm really upset with myself in a sense, simply because, 2022, I jumped into some other programs that I promoted, and I made money in those programs as well. But this is what I want to get across to you. If I had just focused on this program, for 2022 alone and nothing else, then what you see on the screen would be more than what, that's showing right now. And what I'm trying to tell you is focus on one program that have multiple streams of income already built into it. Focus on that, promoting that one link, that's going to help you earn income within the rest of the system that you're using. That's what I'm trying to convey to you today, trying to get over to you. Because if you're jumping around trying to promote this program and then another program and then another program, you're going to be all over the place. So focus on one program, pick you 2 traffic strategies. I suggest one free, one paid, and then run with those 2 right here. So here we are now. I'm in the back of my Sam Cart's back office, and you see right here from December the 14th until December the 28th, 2022, $1,200 in commissions. But then if I click the button, if I go out the last 7 days, then you'll see 560. If I go out the last 2 weeks, there's 1,200. That's the 1,200 we just seen. If I go out 30 days, you see 1,800. And if I do it for the entire year of this, January, and we still have a few more days left in here. So I'm expecting this to hit over $20,000 for this year. But like I said before, if I had focused on this, if I had concentrated on this instead of, promoting some other programs that I jumped into, then I probably would have more income in here, proof to show you. But I'm satisfied with this, but 2023, this is going to be my main focus. I'm going to focus on this, and I want you to focus on this with me as well. Now, what you're going to do, there's going to be a link below in this video, and it's going to lead to the all-in-one $25 digital business. It's going to actually take you to this website right here. Once you come to this website right here, you simply want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And if I can get down there, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You want to put in your information. Go ahead and put in your information, all of this information. Make sure you tick this box so you can get the premium for 2 weeks, so you can get inside of the training that we have for you in there. And you're still only going to invest $25 today. Check this box right here and get signed up. Now, I want to back up a little bit because this is where you're going to have the different products. On the home business, the funnel builder, you're going to earn 80% commissions. HBA Premium, 80% commission. Financial Literacy Academy, 80% commission. On the funnel builder, it's $25 per month. You earn $20 per month residual income. On the HBA Premium, it's $125 per month. You earn $100 per month in residual income. The Financial Literacy Academy is $500 one time. You earn a $400 commission if they get it when the offer is presented to them. If they don't, it's going to cost them $1,000. Then you're going to earn an $800 income one time if and when they decide to upgrade to that. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you there. So this is a system that has 3 different income streams built into it, but you're only promoting one link. Okay, focus on that. Okay, so you're going to join here. Okay, once you join, you're going to come to the affiliate zone. Okay, let me back up here. This is where you want to go right here. You want to go to the affiliate zone and you want to watch all 4 of these videos to get everything set up step by step. It's going to walk you through the entire process. And you want to make sure that you watch these videos because it's going to teach you how to log into your SAM card, okay, and get signed up for the affiliate program. You want to be an affiliate in order to earn commission with this, okay? It's going to talk about the quick launch strategy. Watch the videos, follow the steps along. If you're on social media, Facebook, use this information here. We have some pre-written text that you can use as well. Now, when it comes to setting up your all-in-one business funnel, you're going to have step 3 or 4 here. Okay, you want to watch this video. We're going to give you 5 email follow-ups to go into your autoresponder. I use Get Response. There will be a link for that in the description as well, okay, to get you set up with that. And then start getting traffic to your funnel. You want to make sure you watch these videos here, and everything is going to walk you step by step. Now, when you get ready to set up your autoresponder, you want to simply click right here. Click on that. It's going to open a new tab and you just scroll down to Get Response. And this video is going to walk you through how to set everything up and get response. Okay. You want to creating your email on your own domain and confirming your email DKIM and SPF record. You want to do those simply because you want your emails to land in the primary folder of Google and the other email provider and not in promotion and spam. Okay, so you want to make sure you do that. You must follow the affiliate zone to get everything set up. So once you join here and you get your $25 affiliate business, come back and go through the affiliate zone here. Watch all of those videos. Take your time. I know you want to, people want to make money and they want to do it in a hurry, but this is a long-term business. Okay. People who can buy a franchise business, they are not in profit the first year. Okay. So don't expect to be in profit, the first day or the first month or your first 6 months. Come in here with an expectation of learning the skills that are needed in order to become a proficient affiliate marketer. Don't come in here with the mindset that if you don't want to make, you don't make money in one day or 1 week or 1 month or 6 months, you're going to quit. Then you're not going to make any money at all because you're going to go to the next program and do the exact same thing. Then you're going to blame the program when it's really not the program. The problem lies with you. I can say that because I've been there and I've done that before. Okay, so follow the affiliate zone. Get everything set up. Okay. After you do that, what I have for you, okay, this is a simple capture page that I use, that I purchase traffic from, okay? Remember I said earlier, do 2 traffic sources, okay? 1 free, 1 paid. One that I like to use is YouTube video. That's what I'm doing right now. I can take this video and turn it into a YouTube short. I can create another 30-second video, upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels and Pinterest and things like that. Okay. So this is my free way of doing it, YouTube video. Okay. But this is one of the capture pages that, you're going to get access to when you come inside of the business with me. This is a simple capture picture page that I use for solo ads. Okay, almost done. And the reason why I use this page is because I do not know what the vendors are writing in the emails that they're sending to their list. So to be congruent, when the person clicks on that link in those emails, they're going to come to this page and put in their information here. Once they put in their information here, it's going to take them back over here to the all-in-one business, okay, where they can watch the video, read the page if they want to, and get signed up. Also, when someone enters their information here, they end up on my email list, okay? And here's my email list. And those 5 emails that I showed you a minute ago, you're going to get access to those 5 emails. Although you see I have 8 emails in here, okay? You're going to get access to those 5 emails. If we scroll back down, let me go to the affiliate zone. If we scroll back down and we find those 5 emails, you're simply going to click here and they're going to give you the emails that you can copy and paste and put into your autoresponder, okay? I recommend that you use GetResponse. It's the autoresponder that I'm using. It's fairly simple, but you can use any autoresponder you want to, but there will be a link for that as well. Okay, the next thing you want to do, once you get everything set up, you want to start getting traffic. Now, one of the traffic sources that I use is called Wholesale Premium Traffic. You will find a link for that in the description as well, okay? And here, I purchase traffic from him, at least maybe twice a month. I have other vendors that I use as well, but I like going back to Sean. I like using this traffic for the simple fact, okay, it's reasonable traffic. So if I go to traffic packages and it takes me down for 200 clicks, okay, for $48, you can get 200 clicks. Okay, that's unique clicks. But if you want to tier 100% tier 1 price, then it's another $10. I usually buy the $58. Okay. Now the unique clicks, they are good, but you have to understand, just because you are purchasing these clicks as well does not mean you're going to get sales right off the bat. Okay. You're going to have to build a relationship with these leads through your email list. That's where email marketing comes from. And once you go back over here, once the people have gone through this here, okay, now you can put them on a broadcast list where you can do email broadcasting. If I go over here to email marketing, you can see my email broadcast that I have been sending out. And if I check all lists, or just Richard Hairston here and apply, these are all the emails, email broadcasts that I have sent out to my list. Okay. So you want to purchase traffic here. Okay. Now, $300 package is $72 for unique. 100% tier 1 price is $87. These are reasonable packages. Okay. I also, I do Udemy as well, but I like to use Sean and some other private vendors that I have. If you want to get access to those leads, those vendors, just reach out to me and let me know. But just to kind of recap and let you know, hey, it's legit. And if I just go back to the day, even today, $220. And these are from people who have already been in the system. Okay. Let me see if I go back to the last 7 days. Okay. This is $120, $20, 20, 40, 120. So I know a lot of people think that's not a lot of money, but it's more than a lot of people are making, and it's residual. It keeps coming in month after month after month. Think about it. If you focus on this for 1 year, focus on this, because it has the 3 different income streams in it. Okay, if I can find it again, let me go back up. It has the 3 different income streams in it in order to help you make money online. Plus, we give you all of the training that you need. If you go to HBA Premium, we're going to show you free traffic strategies that you can use. YouTube, Facebook, okay, blogging, 5-day challenges, okay. We also show you how to do solo ad, Facebook ads, text messages, and text message leads. Okay. And we offer you all this training, live coaching that you can get access to as well. So what you want to do, click the link in the description, go to this page right here, get signed up down here. Make sure you check this box, invest your $25 to get started today. Come over here. Okay. Start going through the affiliate zone. Watch all of these videos. This is going to help you get set up and going quickly. If you have any questions, you can send me a text message there where my number will be above this video up and in the description as well. And you can hit me up on Facebook as well. Once you get that done, you know, I'm going to show you where you can find this exact page right here. Okay. Plus you're going to get some other capture pages as well. And you're going to set up your autoresponder and you're going to purchase traffic. 3-step process. Get set up your funnel, set up your email list, order traffic. That's it. You only need 2 tools to be successful online: a funnel builder and an autoresponder. And you only need a sexy product, okay, that people want and need. People need the funnel builder, okay? They can build static websites. They can build whatever they want with it. But that's all you need to do today. Make sure you go ahead, click the button, get signed up here. Go to the affiliate zone, get everything set up. Okay. Gonna get this page here, get your email set up, and order traffic. That's it. Now, with that being said, those are the 3 steps. I'm going to come back with another video tomorrow. Okay. And hopefully you get things set up. But the main thing I want you to do today is get set up and start going through the affiliate zone. Okay. Remember, okay. Focus. You can probably pass me and exceed me in this business if you just focus. Okay. So with that being said, my name is Richard Hairston. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.